Every company has plenty of data and in many cases too much data. But what is absent from their data is recognizing how it changes from minute to minute and how data correlation can reveal things not visible to the naked eye. Let's say a sales rep changes the close date of a particular deal in their CRM. If you're using a static data, then the database simply gets updated and the old close date is no longer there. But to get insights that are crucial for understanding deal closures, you need to know the knowledge of evolution for any deal. For instance, how many times was this deal being pushed out, or what is the extent of this push out? Remember, these are all important factors impacting the likelihood of winning a deal. This is where time series database is useful as it has built-in support to handle time-sensitive data. So instead of deleting or updating the past, time series database actually retains the past and allows us to measure and analyze change. What changed in the past? What is changing now? And what changes can we forecast for the future?
So basically, this gives us a timeline of changes, making it possible to look into a deal's past quarters data such as close date, stage, type, amount, etc.
This time series approach helps us to extract derived features, which are the relevant features having good correlation from the perspective of winning or losing a deal. To put it simply, suppose you're trying to predict which customers are at the risk of churning. Some of the simplistic features you might consider could be around the time of last purchase or the frequency of engagement. In reality, most businesses will have hundreds of relevant features based on the velocity, the size of the deal, the product line that actually correlate and are important for predicting win scores or highlighting risk. So, our time series approach is actually giving you a lot of insights. For instance, you can go back in the past and find out when a deal got flatlined. Suppose a deal is sitting in a particular stage for, say, 30 days. You have the ability to go back in the past and look for patterns to find out what other teams did in the past. There are several other benefits of our time series database. Look at the next quarter pipeline to find out how much pipeline needs to be generated and the total pipe coverage required to hit the number for future quarters. Predict the unborn, which are the deals that are yet to be created and won in the quarter, and inspect every change across your pipeline. Finally, our time series database helps in easy backtesting of our models, and essentially what we end up with is an optimal model that gives you a 98% plus forecast accuracy.